hear it out.
Wait for the drop. Can you feel the retention?
Okay, I'm pretty scared. Mystery, fear, and panic are the ingredients needed to go viral on YouTube. Can we take this psychology and put it into AI music? Maybe. Are you afraid now? I am. So here is the idea. If these psychology tricks, you can say, works in a YouTube video, will they work in a music number? I come up with some lyrics, or let's be honest, AI have come up with some lyrics this time. I haven't wrote it myself, but I will put them in, and hopefully the algorithm will love our viral psychology. That was some zero thing. Don't worry about it. And I would like to come with a disclaimer. I'm not a psychologist. I'm not a music theorist. I'm just a confused Suno AI beginner ADHD dad with internet and a webcam. Intro. Whispering. Hopefully that works. We will see. And then we try to put in some styles. Modern dark pop, electronic, clean male voice, steady beat, 120 BPM, beats per minute. I think. I know nothing about music theory whatsoever. And I don't know nothing about Suno AI either. I just think it's so hilarious to make this music. Beats per minute must be something. Is that 120? I can't count. Forget about it. We try the first one. Create. The first is ready. Let's hear it out.
Wait for the drop. Can you feel the retention?
Okay, I'm pretty scared.
0.1 seconds to decide. The ghost in the machine has nowhere to hide.
Next
Wait
one.
for the drop. Can you feel the retention?
Zero 0.1 seconds to decide.
Okay. This apparently is modern dark pop, electronic clean male voice, steady beat, 120 BPM. Not my favorite. Let's jump to the next one. We're switching up. Put in some new styles here. Ambient, tribal, electronic, ethereal, cinematic, deep, sub-bass, mysterious, choir, rhythmic, breathing, dark, physiological tension, slow tempo, beats per minute, must be atmospheric glitches, high retention, build up. Sounds very good. Very, very good. Sounds very good, I think. But is it dangerous enough? Do we panic? Do we fear? I can feel you fear me a little. Sorry. It's my ADHD brain. It's just popcorn brain, you know? Maybe we should make a song later on called Popcorn Brain. That's a good title. Come on, Suno. Be ready. You can do it. You can do it. The first one is there. Perfect. Let's hear it.
Wait for the drop. Can you feel the retention? 0.1 seconds to decide. The ghost in the machine has nowhere to hide.
It's too boring. Too boring. The first one is just too boring. Let's hear the other one.
Wait for the drop. Can you feel the retention?
Well? Oh, no. No, we're trying to make a new one. Same lyrics, but a different style. Experimental industrial glitch, whatever that is. Distorted vocals. I'm not a fan of those. Erratic tempo changes. That sounds weird. Unpredictable heavy drops. Unpredictable unpredictable heavy drops. That could be cool. Cybernetic horror, whatever that means. And gothic sound design. Max tension. I must say it sounds pretty weird. I'm already afraid. It's done. Let's hear it. Are you ready for something crazy?
Wait for the drop. Can you feel the retention? .1 seconds to decide. The ghost in the machine has nowhere to hide. Binary pulses, a rhythmic decay. The rules of the game are changing today.
Okay, I need a break. That is pretty scaring, isn't it?
Algorithm anxiety, it's under my skin. Where does the human end and the metal begin? Feed the server, pray for the light. Copyright shadows in the middle of the night. Data, patterns, fear build. Data, patterns, fear build. Don't look away. This song owns you. Or do you own the song? Silence.
Okay, actually, I must say, that was quite crazy, wasn't it? A little terrified. I don't really know if I want to hear the next one. Okay, let's do it.
Wait for the drop. Can you feel the retention? .1 seconds to decide. The ghost in the machine has nowhere to hide. Binary pulses.
Okay, thank you. I'm not a huge fan of that. I really didn't like that last one. What am I doing here? I must say that AI is pretty creepy, right? At the surface, you think AI, ooh, so nice. But when you hear this, this one.
Wait for the drop. Can you feel the retention?
That is the true AI, I think.
.1 seconds to decide.
I think that my name for this song, Algorithm Anxiety, is spot on.
Binary pulses.
Let's hear the last one.
Data. Patterns. Fear. Build. Data. Patterns. Fear. Build. Don't look away.
Pretty scary. Pretty scary, I would say. I wanted to turn viral psychology into a song. Does viral psychology work in music? I didn't like it. But I was quite scared, actually. So in a way, the prompts that you give Suno make me feel bad. I don't know where I'm going with this. If some of these songs gave you the feeling of bad vibes, it must work, right? If this is right, you could be my next subscriber. Does it work for you? Subscribe. If you hate it, subscribe as well. Thank you. Also remember to like. I don't know. Hope you can sleep tonight. See you.